through a string. Okay, looping through letters by the word of banana. Banana means by looping means using a for loop. Okay, get the data and using a for loop and data one by one get. One is b, a, n is a try yourself. String is a return. Okay, banana one by one data is saved. And 2 3 types is defined. This is 4 string types. Using for loop. Suppose that a is equal to banana. Okay, this is string types of data and get the data using a for loop. For loop means assign the value this container's name and variable's name pass. Okay, the data. Then using one by one data get. Okay, 2 3 types of define. And the second type is using a len functions. Next topic is len function, but define using len. Okay, this one is a pass length of value. Okay, this one is this one is error. Reason is len function are used using a range functions. Range of a range len is okay. This is indexing number pass 0 1 2 3 and 4 4 5 using a range and len functions. Okay.